Buyers give up on assembly. Sellers drown in returns. SnapFit One Photo becomes a spatial assembly guide. Sellers upload a photo and the manual. AI extracts a clean product shot, builds a part-segmented 3D model, names every part, and plans the assembly steps. 15 minutes, fully automatic. The QR code goes right on the manual. Buyers scan and build, no app. Explode it to see every part. Drag apart, it snaps into place. Put on a headset. Furniture appears at real scale in your room. The AI coach sees your every step. Grab the wrong part, it speaks up. Ask anything by text or voice. It highlights the part and shows you.